So finally we are talking about this COSRX Peptide Skin Booster. At first it was an impulse buy. I saw everyone is buying it, talking about it. So of course I had to try it. And now that I have tried it for a while, I'll tell you what it is. Now before we talk about anything, I want to give you a suggestion that will save a lot of your money. So do not buy it from anywhere else. Only buy it from Macron. No, this is not sponsored by Macron. This is my habit. When I buy something, especially something this expensive, I go to all the e-commerce website and check the price. And I found out that Macron sell the Korean products at most affordable price. I literally got it for 1074 rupees, where other platforms will cost you more than 2000 rupees. So a really good deal, guys. Now let's talk about ingredients. So it has hyaluronic acid. Now this has low molecular hyaluronic acid particles which penetrates deeper into your skin, and that way it leaves your skin super hydrated, plump, juicy. And next it has energy and amino acid. They are also very nourishing and gives you that plump look. Now talking about the claims, I'll just do a claim check one by one. So does it give you even skin tone? At first, I didn't notice anything, but yeah, over the time, I did notice a change. Next, is it hydrating? Now, about this specific claim, I cannot express with words how hydrating it is. Like, I have tried so many Korean products, Korean toners, essence, serums, this, that, but this is the best Korean serum that is this hydrating, guys. And the best part, it has 6 types of peptides which leaves your skin super plump and juicy. It has anti-aging properties and works as antioxidant, and it protects your skin, and it also supports your skin barrier. So this is like an all-in-one product that you need for healthy glowing skin. About firmness and smooth skin, yes, right after applying it you will feel your skin has become super smooth, soft and firm. Next, does it do anything to your pore and sebum? About this, it didn't do anything. I at least didn't see any change. It didn't minimize my pore or did anything else to it. Also, it didn't control my sebum production. As I have oily skin, I can tell you better that it didn't do much to my sebum. Next, does it improve your skin texture? Yes, I want to talk about it. It's not like it improved my skin texture instantly, but it made my skin super smooth that I couldn't feel the texture. Now, all over, I would say this is another GOAT in the market because, you know, despite its price, I would still suggest it to everyone because it has peptides, and peptide is literally father of retinol because retinol doesn't suit everyone. Not everyone can use retinol for at least anti-aging purposes, but you can use peptides. Not only this is anti-aging and hydrating, but I love how plump and smooth your skin becomes after using it. That's the main reason why I'm using it every day and night. I'm literally obsessed with this product. Now to wrap it up, if you have dry to oily skin, you want to improve your skin texture, want hydrated, plump, juicy skin, and retinol is not your cup of tea, then this is something you need to try. Also, this is not expensive because most of the Indian serums will cost you 700 for 50 ml product, but in this case you are getting 150 ml serum for 1100, which is completely reasonable given how efficient it is. I love this product. A big yes to this. If you were confused whether to buy it or not, I would say go for it. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video was helpful. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, annyeong!